Hey everybody! So if you're watching this, odds are you are a member of my Facebook group, Picture Perfect by Sam. And what I'm going to show you guys today is a basic tutorial on how to apply your LipSense. Just in case you're not on my Facebook group, feel free to join it, Picture Perfect by Sam. But just in case you're not, LipSense is smudge-proof, budge-proof, 4 to 16 hour lip color. And I say lip color because it actually adheres to your lips. Comes in a tube like this. This is your color and this is your gloss. You do need both of these for the color to last and for it to adhere correctly. So it should have the little seal on it, and this is my personal one, so the seal is broken, but the seal should be intact when you first get it, both on your color and your gloss. Before we get into that though, I always recommend before you apply your color, because it is going to adhere to your skin and you want a clean adherence. So if you have any existing makeup or anything like that on, you do want to make sure that it comes off. Now there's two ways to do that. Synogen sells an Oops remover, which you can use to clean your lips. It is an oil based. Or I use witch hazel and a cotton ball. And all you want to do is get a little bit of the witch hazel on a cotton ball and then just wipe along your lips. Make sure you do not get it on your foundation. And then I use the dry side to pat it dry. And that's just going to make sure that your lips are perfectly clean before you start putting the color on. The color itself, this is 0.25 ounces of color. And it does have a little ball on the inside. You do want to shake it and you'll hear the ball going. If you don't hear the ball going, take your wand, pull it out, do that a couple times and it might have just gotten stuck on the sides. So you do want to shake it, make sure that it makes that sound. When you pull it out, this is what your wand looks like. You want to wipe a little bit of the excess fluid off. You want to do thin layers. So what we're ultimately going to do is we are going to do 3 thin layers on the top and the bottom. And I personally like to line every time I do my lip color, just slightly. I don't always do a full line, but I like to go in there and do a little bit one because I feel like it gives me a cleaner cut. Now once I have this on, I can't do too much talking, so that's why I'm going to do it all right now. Secondly, if you would make a mistake, you would definitely want the Oops remover, because if I make a mistake, makeup wipes, things like that, they're not going to get this stuff off. So let's get to it. Once I've got this on, I'm going to immediately follow with the gloss, and then I'll be able to talk again. And it is just a personal choice that I like to line. It isn't actually necessary. Okay, so the liner is on. I'm going to get more color on it now, and this is where I can't really talk too much. Okay, Now, if you notice when I applied, I didn't do back and forth motions. You don't want to do back and forth motions. It can cause your layers to be a little too thin. Secondly, I immediately follow with the gloss. I personally don't like the feel of my lips touching once I've got the color on. That is a personal preference, though. You don't necessarily have to. You could try to talk, but I would let it dry for a few seconds before you try. Other than that, that's basically all I wanted to show you guys, was just the basic application of how to apply and how to immediately follow with your gloss. And I used a glossy gloss, and the color that I used was Napa. That's this shade here. Alright, so see you guys.